Our story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian alert system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love 2021 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.